We're going to go through how you can install the Roblox Delta Executor for Android. This is the step-by-step simple process how you can install it. Open up any browser and you're going to go to this website here, deltaexecutor.com. You might get ads on this website. Just reach to this screen and there are various options. You're going to pick the Android one since we are doing it for Android phone. Tap on Android. This is the ad. Close it. Scroll down. You'll see the download now button somewhere. Tap on download now. To get the free download, you're going to watch ad. Tap here. Scroll down and you can tap on download 2.731 ad. View the ad, close the ad, close it and come back here. Just one more step, tap here and once again close the ad tab, come back here and all these steps are completed. Tap on continue, close the ad once again and you can just finally download the Delta Executor for Android as it's downloading. Once the file is downloaded, open and begin installation. Once it's been installed, tap on open. Allow access to manage all files. Now you can just sign into your account. Thus now you are logged in here and you can begin. Now in order to get the Roblox Delta Executor key, I'll make a separate video.